In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal to a bank account. So first of all, just go and open a browser and go to paypal.com. Of course, you will have to log in into your account. As simple as that. So let's just go and log in. Let's just change the language first so we can understand English or us. And here we are. So let me just go and log in into my account. And right here, I do have the password saved. And I will just go and click on login. Now, as an example, here, normally we'll have to go to our wallet. And once you click on wallets, you'll be able to go and link a card. So once you go and click on link a card, you'll be able to enter your bank, as an example, information or your card information, like the numbers, of course, expiration and CVV. And of course, you can even add the billing address, then link a card. Of course, if you don't want to link a card, if you want to send money to your bank account right away, you can click here at the bottom, send payment, and you will find both options. So depending on your region, as an example, this is a local bank that I have on my country. I can go and click on that option, and they'll take me as an example here to log in into my bank account, and I'll be able to send money right away. If I don't want that, or if I didn't find this option, I'll find this transfer to bank account. If I go and click on it, normally I'll have the option to fill up my bank information. But for me, I have no funds at the moment as PayPal, so they will not let me as an example, so there's nothing to transfer right now. Try again when you have some PayPal balance. So as you can see in here, for me, I do have 0 USD, but for you, you will be able to do it and fill up your bank information. And you'll be able to transfer right away very easily once you fill up your information. You'll be able, of course, then to enter the amount that you want to send, and you should be good to go. The transfer should take from 1 to 3 business days. It's totally free. I guess if you want instant transfer, it will be available within a minute, but they may charge a small fee from 1 to 1.75%. But not all countries, all banks support instant transfer. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.